When installing the bin carcass from Amorini, the first step is to fit the plates to the FUB40 door, which will have pre-drilled locators. We recommend using 16mm screws to fit the plates to the door. The next step is to remove the bottom of the drawer. Once removed, place the plastic bin frame on top of the drawer runners and screw the back with 16mm screws. Next, fit the drawer back into the carcass and clip the door onto the drawer sides. Now, screw the front of the bin plate to the front of the door using 16mm screws. Finally, adjust the drawer if required and fit the bins into place.